Good afternoon! Good afternoon, guys! Yeah, good afternoon na because it's already 4 p.m. I start vlogging late. So this morning, I didn't film because I just clean outside the house and then I clean the garage and give Polo a bath. And then guys, today when my husband arrived from work, we're going to install the door in the guest room. And then by the way, yesterday we did hang 3 doors. And then today, I did install 2 doorknobs already. So right now, I'm going to install the doorknob in the bathroom. So I'm going to show you. Let's go! Let's go install the doorknob. So as you can see, this door is in that door near the fridge. We did install the master bathroom door as well. So this is the door from the master bathroom. So I need to paint that. Oh, by the way, yesterday my husband and I installed the ceiling fan in our guest bedroom. So I'm going to show you that. So guys, this is the ceiling fan that my husband and I installed yesterday. So we bought this ceiling fan at Home Depot, and then the brand is Hunter, and it came with the remote control, as you can see. And then we put smart bulbs so we can tell, hey Google, turn off the lights. And so yeah, that's the ceiling fan looks like. And then guys, this is reversible, so the other side is American oak, so it looks like wood looks. And then this one is gray, looks like gray, so we choose this one because it looks nice. So I did install 2 doorknobs already in the office and master bedroom. So I want to show you. So this is the doorknob and that I installed, as you can see. Yeah, I know, it's beautiful. That's the door, and this is the doorknob that we choose. So I did install this, guys. So this is our office. And then let's go. I'm going to show you the master bedroom because I already installed the doorknob. It's easy though. I thought that it's difficult. I thought that it's confusing, but it's not. It's very easy. So yeah. This is the master bedroom doorknob that I installed today. And then right now I'm going to install the bathroom. So as you can see, so let's grab doorknob. So this is our doorknobs here. So let's grab one. So in the bathroom, of course, we need to, to lock so no one can open if you're inside the bathroom. So this is can lock. So guys, what do you think with the door? Is it beautiful? Oh, I did paint those. So yeah, it's beautiful, huh? So we need to install this one today, and here as well, and these 2 rooms. So we're almost done this area. It's not almost because we need to. So guys, as you can see, there's a space here because we haven't installed the door trim. So this is the door trim, guys, looks like. So I'm going to paint this as well. And then you put it here. That, like that. As you can see. Like that. And wait. So you'll put that way. That way. So as you can see, there's no more holes in here. And so it looks nice. And so no further ado, let's go install the doorknob. Because my father-in-law will be here tomorrow. At least we put the doorknob in the bathroom. So there's privacy, you know. And the guest room door as well. So let's grab the one that locked. And this one, we're going to install this in the bathroom here. So let's get started, guys. So guys, first we're going to open this doorknob. We're unboxing. So this is the one that we used, Kwikset, and we bought this at Home Depot. So this is the doorknob handle, guys. The plate. So this is the plate. So we're going to install this here. Let me see if you can see it. Let's do it! So you see this, guys, we're going to install it here. The plate, we're going to install it here. Like that! So guys, I'm going to screw the plate here. I did pre-drill the hole, so it's easy for me. And done. And that's done. So guys, it's done. The plate is in. So guys, I'm going to install the latch bolt. So we're going to put this latch bolt here. So as you can see, there's a hole here. So you can put it here. And easy peasy. So let's screw this. Sometimes I'm terrible with screwing. Put some pressure so the screw goes in. You know. Yeah, screw in. And then let's put it here in the top one. So the latch is installed, guys. As you can see, we're going to grab our doorknob handle and we're going to slide this here inside. And that is good. And then we're going to attach this one. And is it nice? Beautiful, beautiful. And then we're going to grab our machine screw and then yeah, we're going to put it here in our, I know. And then I'm going to hold the doorknob in the other side and then turn down. And so you can put this machine screw here. We need to so as you can see. And then I'm going to screw it. Done. So yeah, Doorknob installed, guys. In the bathroom. It's done. So let's try it. Ah. So we haven't fixed this one, but we're going to yeah. And so guys, I'm done installing the doorknob in the bathroom. So we're going to try it. So yeah, it looks beautiful. Yan. Wow. That's perfectly perfect. Yan. Then close it. So guys, I'm going to show you the doors that we installed. Here you go. So I did paint the doors. So the color of this paint is Night Armor. So it's in gray line. And then the color of this door frame is Dove Gray. And this is the doorknob that we bought at Home Depot. So guys, this is closet. So you can open it. Yeah. So our tools is still here because we're going to use it later. So here you go, guys. That's the door. And then guys, this is closet as well. So here is the bed sheet, the towel. So this is the pendant light. We haven't installed it yet. And then this is the master bedroom. So I need to touch up that one. And the other doors as well. And then this is the bathroom. So this bedroom is done. I did clean it. So I already cleaned the 3 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. So guys, we did install the door frame. And then I just need to paint that. And then this is the guest bedroom. So this area is all clean. So I need to touch up some, touch up. So this is the guest room, guys. So my father-in-law is coming today. So he's gonna be staying here. And our treadmill is there. And this is the middle room, guys. Marco is always here. Hi, Marco. You're sleeping? Huh? You're sleeping? Are you? So, this is the middle bedroom, guys. And still, our jackets is here. Some of the boxes. So, yeah. And then this door, we haven't finished it yet because we need to fix it because it won't close. As you can see. So for installing the door ourselves, this is our learning experience because when we install the door, we separate the door and the door frame. So it's easy for us to put the door frame. So what happened when we did level everything. When we're done, it's not working. I think we did it wrong. So if you guys want to install the door, keep the door while you're hanging before you separate this to the door frame. And then guys, after we fix the problem, I'm going to install the doorknob. So exciting. And then guys, this is the office. It's nice. And I'm going to show you the kitchen area. So this door towards the laundry area. So yan. So right now guys, I'm going to continue cleaning the house. So I'm done with the 3 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. So now I'm cleaning this area. The living room, dining room, kitchen, and the office. So guys, I'm going to continue cleaning. So see you later. Hi guys, I'm done cleaning the house and then I already showered. So the house is clean, guys. And So the house is clean and I'm watching Fixer Upper and Discovery Plus. Yeah. Oh. And hi Polo. So guys, it's almost 5 p.m. So my husband will be home soon. So I'm going to close this vlog. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!